welcome to Premier Aquatics. My name is Jamie and today we're going to be unboxing one of our Betta canister filters where I'll be showing you the ins and outs, bits and bobs, how we use it and how to connect it. First part of the inside of the canister filter is the canister lid. This keeps everything compact, tight, unable to move. First chamber of filter media. Is a section for carbon. This keeps all the water in the tank crystal clear. Then it is followed by a first layer of filter sponge. Second chamber, a substantial amount of ceramic rings. And another layer of filter sponge. Third chamber features a bag of bio balls, and to finish off, a coarse layer of filter sponge. Now we have all the components for the canister filter, so I'm about to connect it all up. Thanks for watching us on the Premier Aquatics YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to press the like button down below. Subscribe to see all our new videos and press the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we release new content. Thank you.